A is for apple.
B is for ball.
C is for cat. E is for dog. E is for egg.
F is for fish. G is for goat.
H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jacket.
K is for kite.
L is for lion. M is for monkey.
N is for nose.
O is for orange.
P is for pencil.
Q is for quail.
R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for truck. U is for umbrella. V is for Venta. W is for watermelon.
X is for X-tray fish.
I is for yo-yo.
Z's for zipper.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us.